guys, so I am here in my adorable kitchen. I'm just getting ready to put my condo on the market, and this beauty arrived just in time for me to stage my home. This kettle is so cute. I personally love this gradient painting on the outside. I just think it adds some character, and then you have the little divots in it as well, just to add some more textures going on and things like that. The one thing I really like is this faux wood handle and lid and little spout here. This is actually on here because when this heats up, it doesn't get too hot and it won't burn you. So not only is it functional, it is fabulous in the look. I love the wood grain. This is fantastic because it looks pretty sitting on your oven. So you can easily get some hot tea because it's out and accessible. This will make about 10 cups, so it will not only just feed yourself or provide some hot water for yourself, but for other people as well. This is a loud whistle, and the lid right here comes off. It's a very nice big opening so that it's easy to put the water in. The other thing that I like is that to open up the little lid right here, it's so simple. You just push the little button right here, and honestly, it was just so easy. Sometimes in the past, I've struggled with my tea kettles actually functioning that button, but this one really does work, and with ease. So this is not only beautiful, it's functional, and honestly, it's fabulous. So I highly recommend this cute tea kettle.